Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to learn again about comparison of objects. Do you see a bird in this beautiful picture, my dear students? Yes. Now, where is the bird? The bird is in the cage. So it is in. If I open the door of the cage, what happens to the bird? It flies away. The bird is now out from the cage. Have you understood? In and out. Simple. Next, let us take one more example. Do you see the bear? The bear is inside the cave. It is hiding inside. Shall we call it outside? Yes. The bear has now come outside the cave, right? So we saw what do we mean by inside and outside, correct? Let us move ahead and understand broad and narrow. We see two beautiful pictures here. One is of a road going through the hills, and another is of the road in the city. Correct? Now, the one which is going through the hills, that road is small, or we call it narrow road. It is narrow. Whereas there are so many vehicles in the city, so the road in the city has to be broad. Correct? The road in the hills is narrow, whereas the road in the city is broad.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.